He's not
for the
snoring
bath. And you, come on, how much he will give you? It's old.
That's not mine.
It's her.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
For Libby,
Okay.
yeah.
Sorry. Oh. Sorry, car.
Hey.
Look,
This is Libby
filming again.
at 7 o'clock in the morning,
Yeah.
snoring away. Should we do makeup on his face?
Put the voice on. So let's finish this part. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And this is him,
8.
the one who had his hair shaven.
You don't put.
Can I have 200
You
now?
don't even put house there. You don't
And how
care.
much I need to give you for that?
I'll let you off this brand, okay?
No, play.
Okay then, you wanna play?
How much I need to give you for 2
£30.
Two.
I wanna put house there, is it too late?
Hmm?
Is it too late to put house?
Well, if you will take off the phone and you will put it. You said that. Okay, I'm